Yardi Voyage tutorial, full guide to 95. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Yardi Voyager. So Yardi Voyager is a comprehensive cloud-based ERP designed to manage everything from leasing, maintenance and accounting to reporting, compliance and tenant communications. It's ideal for medium to large portfolios, and the core and modules and features are leasing occupancy like configure online leasing workflows, applicant screening and wait lists. And for the accounting and financials, full GL or AR AP modules with automated invoicing, tenant billing, payment tracking, financial statements and fees or defrost work. And for the maintenance and work orders, submit, track and complete work orders with vendor communication and budgeting. And you can see dedicated video tutorials and reporting and analytics parts. You use built-in financial and operational reporting dashboards, advanced reporting via SQL scripts and data connection integration. And it's a web-based dashboard. Navigate menus for operations, accounting, leasing. Use search or filter bar to locate properties you need tenants quickly, and access client central's video library and documentation via the help menu. And training like utilize the Aspire on demand webinars and e-learning portals and test environment, SQL skill building and peer learning. Some training includes virtual reality for immersive understanding. So Yardi Voyager is a powerful and modular platform to become efficient at 2025. Start and foundational courses via Yardi Aspire. Also explore modules interactively using the video guide above, and level up with SQL and admin training for long-term value, and work in a sandbox first. Never implement major changes live. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.